Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Piyasi and today I'll be doing the most requested video on my Instagram. I have been asked to do this video from quite some time now, so here I am with your favorite and my favorite two sugar lipstick swatches. So I love sugar lipsticks, mainly because of the texture, the long lasting quality, and they have wide range of colors which I absolutely love. I'll be swatching them both on my hands and on my lips, so let's get started. So the first one is Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick. So this is how it looks like, and this is the limited edition lipstick, and I got one shade which I absolutely love. Just look at this coralish red kind of a shade. This is so stunning. I have already applied it on my lips, as you can see, and it just glides so smoothly on the lips. I really like the texture. It's very long lasting as well, and as the name suggests, this is a long wear lipstick. It really stays for quite long. Even if you have your food, it doesn't just fade out. So this is how the color looks like on my hand. Very coralish color, coralish red type. So it retails for rupees 5.99, and I think it's totally worth it, and it's not very expensive as well. So yeah, this was my first favorite, and I think they have a wide range of colors which you can choose from. So I'll provide all the links in the description box below so that you can go check them out. But yeah, this is my first favorite out of the lot. Along with the swatches, I've also decided to show you that if it's really difficult to remove it with the help of a micellar water. So I'll try this first one. Wow, it just comes off very easily. Very easy. I'm super impressed with this lipstick already. I just wanted to show you because I already knew that this is like great on the lips. Even if you try and remove it, it's really easy, as you just saw. So that was the first lipstick. Now let's move on to the second one. So the second range is the Suit Secret, and this is how the packaging looks like. I have these two colors with me which are absolutely stunning. One is this nudish color, and this one is a burgundy type pinkish color. So the pink one is 15 Fuchsia Pink. This is a great shade. The shade name is Nylon Nude, and it's 13. So I'll just swatch both of them on my lips. Absolutely gorgeous color, if you see. I really like the texture of this lipstick as well. I'm going to repeat this for all the sugar lipsticks because yeah, I just love the formula and all their lipsticks, and in the entire range, you will not find a lipstick wherein you'll not like the texture or colors. So yeah, this one again is my very favorite. I kind of wear this to my office and Sunday brunches. So this is how it looks like. Now I'll try and remove this as well with the micellar water. Again, very easy removal, as you can see. 2 strokes and the entire lipstick is off. I think it's the typical fuchsia shade, and this goes really good with, you know, people with fair skin tone. So this is how the fuchsia color looks like on my hand. I'll now move on to another favorite of mine, which is again the lip crayon from Sugar, and this is called as Matte as Hell crayon lipstick. And I think you have seen it quite a lot because this is very popular, and this is so simple and so easy. I have this one shade with me here right now, but I have got like 4 shades. I don't know, I've kept it in like every bag of mine, you know, so that I can just it's very travel friendly and I can pick it up anytime and just apply it. So this is again a great lip crayon. I'll show you the shade. It's a maroonish kind, and the shade name is 12 Baby Who's Man. So let me try this for you. I just love the shade. This is somewhat close to the fuchsia one, but this is a darker shade of the fuchsia one, so I really like it. I really like it. When you go out in the sun, this color looks so stunning. So fuchsia is little lighter and this is a darker one. So yeah. Now let me go ahead and remove this and see if it's easy. So this one, as you can see, because it's so dark, it does leave a little bit of color. Can you see the pinkish kind of a tinge on my lips? So for this one, probably you have to go like 3-4 strokes, because the color is, because the shade is a little darker. Probably that's the reason. Otherwise, it does remove very easily. Now I'll go on to the next one, which is I think the oldest lipstick that I have from Sugar, and this is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 02 Brink of Pink. So this is the shade number and the shade name, and this is how the lipstick looks like. This is kind of the oldest lipstick that I have. So it applies like a butter. So it's a liquid lipstick, and you can see the shade. I mostly have a lot of pinks from Sugar because I absolutely love the pink collection of Sugar Cosmetics. Though I'm not very very much into pink, but Sugar Cosmetics is an exception when it comes to pink color shades. And as you can see, while applying, it was kind of very buttery, but once it dries out, it's extremely non-transfer. You'll get all the shades. I've got this pink one, but they have all the shades. But the thing is, it gets a little chappy after some time, as you can already see that, you know, after drying out, which is already drying, it's already dried out. So yeah, if you're looking for a non-transfer lipstick, then this is going to be your go-to lipstick range. Now let me show you if this is easy for me to remove. So as you can see, it's not coming out. That's the reason I kind of think twice before applying this particular shade. Okay, so now moving on to the last, and if you ask me the favorite out of the lot, I'll tell you this is my most favorite Sugar lipstick range, and the shade as well. Metal liquid lipstick range, and the packaging itself is so stunning. You can see the packaging. It's a transparent bottle with a kind of a metalish finish to the cap. So I really like the packaging, and plus this color, the shade is my ultimate favorite. The shade name is Levin Rigger. These days I'm just loving the rusty orange kind of shades, so this is my favorite. Let me swatch it for you guys. Okay, let me swatch it here. Wow. So this is how the shade looks like. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is also the dupe for Kylie Jenner's one of the lipsticks with rusty orange shade. It's the perfect dupe for Kylie Jenner's lipstick, trust me. Same texture, same color. I'll probably mention the shade name of Kylie Jenner so that you can relate to it, but let me just swatch it on my lips right now. So yeah, these were my favorite liquid lipsticks and the matte lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics, and all the swatches. So yeah, I hope you like it, and if you're planning to buy, then go check out the links down below and let me know which one you are going to buy. And thank you so much for watching. If you are watching it till here, then thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more such videos. Till then, bye bye.